Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shegun, aka David. This is the part 2 of learning HTML5 basics series, and I hope you did enjoy the last video. Thank you so much for the comments I received in my last video. Thank you for letting me know how you're coping with the lockdown, and I hope you continue to keep safe. Okay, by now I assume you have VS Code installed on your computer, whether it's Mac, whether it's Windows. I believe you already have it installed. If you have not, please, I recommend going back to my previous video where I recommend the type of code editor for this lecture. By the end of the series, you will be able to understand what is HTML, how to create an HTML5 document, how to read an HTML5 document with a browser, how to create an heading in a web page, how to create a form, how to create a table, how to create a list in the web page, how to insert images, and how to link an external website through your web page. So you will be able to understand or do the following. That's our aim. Let's ride. Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to create headings. Some text in HTML5 documents may be more important than other text. That is why HTML5 provides 6 heading elements, H1 through H6. How do we do that? Follow me. First, we create a file. Let's save our file as headings or headings.html. I like to put it in HTML tips and save. Now I'm going to type, then I'm going to explain. So follow me. Okay, so now we have our first heading element. So let's open the browser and find out what we have just created. So to open that, don't forget, anytime you save a file as .html here, then you're telling the file that this file can only be opened with the browser. So let's open the browser. And where is this file? Is in HTML tips, and that's it. Open. Voila. As you can see, we now have level 1 headings. It's ranged from 1 to 6. So 1 being the biggest or the largest, through to 6. So level 2 headings. Level 3, headings, level 4, headings, level 5, headings, level 6, headings. So can we have a look now? We'll save that, go back to the browser and refresh. And that's it. Voila! You just learn how to create headings in the web page. So our next class will be on how to create links in the browser. Next, we're going to be learning how to create links in the page. Hello, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you how to create a link in the web page. One of the most important HTML5 feature is hyperlink, which references other resources such as HTML5 documents and images. When a user clicks a hyperlink, the browser tries to execute an action associated with it. Any displayed elements can act as an hyperlink, like your text, your images can act as an hyperlink. And the browser typically underlines text hyperlink. Let me show you an example. If you go to the browser and you go to any website, for example, I'm on Google website now, and if I point to this text that says hyperlink Wikipedia, you can see when I move my mouse on top of it, you can see it's now underlined. This text is an hyperlink that is linked to another page or another website. And when you perform an action by clicking on it, it executes an action. And the action in this case is that it redirects me to another page in the Wikipedia. Now, let us create our own hyperlink. Create a file, save the file. Let's save it as link. Yes, link.html, because I already have one there before. I'm going to just replace it. That's fine. And this time around I can talk so that it's not boring. So our basic structure, don't forget. And one thing about writing program or coding in general, it's constant, it's practice. The more you write, the more you remember. The more you write, the more you remember. It becomes part, it just comes naturally to you. Okay, so let us create our first. Let's create our first. Maybe let's use our previous lecture, which was on header. Let's create an header, and we're gonna say, here are my favorite sites, and then I am going to also say, give this an instruction, and as I'm typing, you can see I'm introducing new elements, which you clearly see what it does. I'm not that fast in typing, so bear with me. And let's start. Okay, tell me one of your favorite sites. Okay, I know you're always on there. Not judging. HTTP www. I know you're already guessing what I'm typing. I know. And we're gonna call that what it is. It's Facebook. Shall we see what we just created? So let's go to the browser again. Close that. Should we make it smaller so we can see it from here? So we're going to open our file, which is link. Open. Voila! Wow! Here are my favorite sites, and you can see that's the header. We've given it a heading, and we use P element. P element is referred to as paragraph. So we have another paragraph and strong elements. Bold the text within the elements. So if I write outside of the strong elements, say this, save, go back out and refresh, you can see the this here is not bold because it's outside of the strong element, but it's inside the paragraph. So it's one is together with the paragraph, with the sentence. But if I move it into the element, the strong element, and you refresh, it becomes bold. That's what strong element. So I've just introduced you to another element. Don't forget, practice. That's how you keep remembering. And if you're typing along with me, always type, don't copy. At this stage, don't copy. Type everything from 0 to 100. Okay, so next line we have P again, saying, all right, I want another paragraph. So anytime you use P, it gives you a new line, and it puts your information in the new line. So don't forget, the blank, this line is ignored by the browser. Blank line is ignored by the browser, it doesn't matter. So now we have another paragraph in the new line, and as you can see, we have A, which stands for anchor elements. A as an attribute of href, and href means hypertext reference. An hypertext reference can take a link to a page or a file or an email. So let's view this in the browser again. And if you point to it, as you can see, it's underlined. It's letting you know it's blue and it's underlined. That's how you know that that text is an hypertext or hyperlink rather. So if I click on it, it takes me straight to the reference, and we're referencing facebook.com. We go back. Now let's add another. So what do you think we should add now? Let's add Twitter. http www, that's too many W too much, twitter.com, refresh, save, refresh, voila. And if you point to it and click on it, it takes you to Twitter page. Go back. This is how you create link to other websites. And I'm going to try and create a link now. Let's link two pages together. So go to, let's call it, go to headings page. Remember, we created heading page within it, they're saved in the same directory. So we just say href. Can somebody guess what it will be? We just say headings. No. We say headings.html. That's, if you look at the file name, we save it as headings.html. So if we refresh our browser again, we have go to headings page. Now if I click on go to headings page, guess where we're going? Boom! Wow! Now you've learned how to successfully link two pages together, and also how to link to an external website through your website. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share with your friends and family during this lockdown time. Don't forget to click on the bell sign to get notified as well. See you on the next topic, where we'll talk about images.